Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. In this video I will explain how to create an under construction page for a website. Let's start the video. In this tutorial I will teach you how to code responsive under construction page for a website. We will start by writing a CSS code for the banner of the coming soon. We will start by specifying the background image of the banner using a URL, and we will define the font family using these tags. I will explain the tags for the background. This is the background, and I define the font of website, the whole body font. This is a font family. Now I will start by defining classes that include properties such as margin, padding, and color and positions. These classes will assist to ensure desired layout for banner. Moving on, the HR class. HR class, I will focus on adjusting the margin and width for lines. This is a HR class. In this section, body section, I will define div with the class name bg image. This class will contain the I will assign an ID called demo to define a counter that will be implemented using JavaScript. Furthermore, I will include the necessary JavaScript code. This is a counter, time counter JavaScript. Once you have saved the code with HTML extension, you will see the result. You see the HR element. HR element is a creating horizontal line, is a separation for the two codes, two different things. This JavaScript is necessary for the counter time. HR line is used for the underline of things. You see June 29, this is the end time of the website. If your launching time is different, you can set the launching time instead of June 29. Once you finish it, you can save. This is a finished time. You have saved the code. With the HTML extension, you can view the result by simply right click on the page, copy the path and paste it into browser. This will allow you to see the outcome of the under construction page. You see, this is a saving time. Right click, copy the path and paste in browser. This is the outcome for the under construction coming soon page. Now you can make some changes to content. You can change the end date, launching date. I change into June 20. This is the launching time, launching date. You see the outcomes. This is the main result. Now 12 days, 3 hours, 40 minutes. Now we can change some changes to content. You can write Bible verses or Quranic ayat lines, and you can modify the font style using Google font families. The font style using font family is available on Google Font. To do this, go to Google Font, select your desired font. This is a font families you see in screen. Go to Google font family, select your desired font which you want. These are different fonts available on Google. Select your desired font and copy the corresponding font family code. I want this. Copy the corresponding font family code. Paste the code into HTML document to apply the new font style. Additionally, you can add the navigation bar. No, this is a without navigation bar. This is coming soon under construction page without navigation bar. Additionally, you can add the navigation bar to your page. If you are unsure how to create navigation bar, you can refer to my previous lecture or check the description for the further guidance. Lastly, I have positioned the logo or company name on the left side. By following these steps, you will be able to see full result of the under construction page for your website. Look, please subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you so much.